Well guys, today's the day. The 240Z is leaving us and going to be restored. Alright guys, let's show you what we did to the blue 85 here. First thing you'll see, so we went ahead and put our new seat skins, all 3 seats, front, back, the perforated centers, and they are full leather, not the vinyl on the side like the stock seats. We did a full stock interiors, auto custom carpet, front and rear carpets, both sides. Here's the original floor mat. One thing to note on these auto custom carpets is they tend to not completely fit, as they always leave a little gap right here. But they're nicely done otherwise. We also went ahead, got the digital dash working again. That needed a new dash power supply. The climate control wasn't working. We went ahead, put all new bulbs in, fixed all the vacuum leaks. The vacuum lines were actually wired incorrectly. They're routed incorrectly. Next job she's getting is she's going in for paint and body work. Here's our white 87. We purchased this from Z-Force Racing up in New York, or Z-Force Performance up in New York. It was one of their customers, and they deemed it too much work to make it worthwhile as far as financially. It needs new floor pans on the passenger side and the rear. On both sides where all the T-top drains go down, it rusted out, so we'll have to get that repaired, and also needs both quarter panels. Other than that, she's not in bad shape. This is the next job on the list. This is an 85 or an 84 turbo. She is getting all new wiring harness for the engine bay. Current harness is cut all up pretty bad. And then in the background you can see the 200ZS. We're waiting on a gasket set for the engine on that. It's coming from Japan, should be here sometime later this month. Still have the 240Z here. We're waiting on the transport driver to come pick her up. And empty bays. What do we have here, little boys and gentlemen? XenonZcar saving another one. '87 non-turbo 5-speed, bronze glass. Needs a back glass some rust repair. It does actually have, if you look right here, you can see they're actual 16-inch Shiro wheels, but this is not a Shiro. Let's go around the other side. One owner car. As you can tell, it's not a Shiro because it has the brown GL cloth interior. Analog gauges, manual climate control. Factory mats. She needs some work, but we'll get her going.
It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity.
Keys on the dash. Door opens.
You got a gear?
Yeah, it has transmission. Well, boys, the 240Z is going to be leaving.
It's all about humanity.
There she goes, off to Ohio.
It's all about humanity. It's all about you.